Okay. My name is Adam Patterson. I'm one of the trainers down here at the Knoxville Zoo shows. And here I have with me is an amazing African gray. And tell you what, I'm going to let her introduce herself. Can you tell them your name? Einstein. Well, let's be nice. Can you say hi? Can you be more polite? That's very good. She loves to mimic animal sounds since she does live here at the Knoxville Zoo. So let's do a few. Can you do a red wolf? How about an owl? And a rooster? Are you famous? Superstar. Yeah. Can you get down? Keep going, get down. That was very good. How about a little smoke on the water? Bow, bow, bow. Bow, 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 bow. Bow, 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 bow. Parrot Einstein, you've been dancing, but can we do a little singing? Can you do some opera? Opera? Figaro, very good. Can you sing? Sing. Can you do a penguin? Very good. How about a bird? Very pretty. Einstein, do you agree?
Yeah.
Yeah. What do you think?
No.
Can you clear your throat? Yeah. Can you give me a kiss? Are you evil? Can you scream? Do you agree?
Yeah.
What do you think?
No.
Einstein, what are you?
Apple.
Saying happy birthday? Again? Big finish. Good job. Can you work out?